Are you looking for the perfect handmade gift for the holidays? What's better than homemade recipes of the people you love the most? The Homemade Holidays collection, designed by Becky Moore, has a 6x8 folio project kit that includes everything you need to make this beautiful folio decorated. All you have to do is add your family recipes. Let's take a look at all of the pieces and kind of show you how this is going to work. The project kit includes the folio, all of the papers, including the stickers to decorate the 6x8 folio, and instructions for how everything goes together. If you open up the packaging, you'll see all of the instructions. You'll also get a full color photo with how each of the pages inside of the folio will look. So you'll have detailed directions on how to put it together and which papers to use, as well as each of the pictures to show you what it's supposed to look like. The folio itself has directions for how to create the folio first. So be sure to save your packaging because all of your directions for how to assemble the folio are on the back of the packaging. So don't throw that away. You'll receive 12 individual papers. They're single-sided so that you can cut them apart and adhere them to your folio. You'll get lots of cut-aparts. You'll get beautiful tags. You'll get one sheet with lots of different strips to be able to decorate your folio. So you'll cut these apart and use these as the instructions show. You'll get multiple pieces of paper that have 6x8 background papers like this. You'll also get papers that have fun little recipe cards for you to add your recipes to, as well as some extra embellishments. Here are some more background 6x8 papers and extra recipe cards. This has 6x6 fun plaids, as well as more 6x8 background papers and some fun tags and journaling spots. You'll get one more sheet of 6x8 papers, as well as a whole collection of fun banners. You'll also get this sheet, which helps decorate the pockets inside of the folio. Simply cut apart and add for decoration. We've also included a 12x12 element sticker sheet to give you all the extra ingredients you need to decorate your folio. You've got 12-inch stickers, you've got tabs and tags, lots of fun icons, great titles. Perfect for adding extra embellishments to your recipe book. This project kit makes a wonderful gift for the holidays. Get started early and order yours today. Thanks for watching and happy crafting.